Hi, good day, M6066. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Prisma Emfrones. I live in Caloocan City, Philippines. I am 32 years old. I'm single. I have one kid, 2 years old. I graduate two years college vocational,
Of what course?
web developers.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My main duties is cooking, ironing, laundry, gardening, and take care of the baby.
Okay, so you take care of 2 months old. You look after them
Yes,
because you
sir.
have because your employers have a seven helper on their house, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
your main duty was to cleaning
Yes, sir.
and sometimes look after the kid.
So,
Okay, so you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
yes, sir.
And it's okay to you to take care of a newborn baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and I will check the stomach. I will check the diaphragm is full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I will call my employer if the baby is not is not stop crying
Okay, and what will okay, by the way, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because high salary and my financial and I will provide my needs.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer is need me,
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
yes sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I will watch the YouTube. I will, I will read the book.
Okay. And also, don't be shy to ask your employer if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepare food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly, help them go to bed, to the bathroom. It is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I try to all my best and I'm honest and I will do my best.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Chrisma.
Thank you, sir. And
Okay, thank you.